I eat your car? Okay, shit. See my neighbor. Eh? Look at him. I can hear his voice. He's just ranting. Take. Give the phone to David to record me. Give the phone to David.
I'm sorry or something. Why is he behaving like this now? Why are you behaving like this? Why are you doing something like this?
You know this your brain. Nonsense.
Just imagine what you did.
Nonsense. Because they borrow you motor. I don't understand.
Are you okay?
I don't understand. You don't have sense. You don't have sense.
Captain, if Oliver move,
You don't watch yourself. See, all her, otherwise, all her. Otherwise, I will descend on you.
Did I eat your car?
Are you blind? Are you blind?
Did I eat your car?
Mama, can't you say sorry? Can't you say sorry for once?
Did I eat your car?
Can't you say sorry for once?
Did I eat your car?
Can't you say sorry for once? Why are you behaving like this?
Did I eat your car? Okay, shift. Okay, shift for road. Wetin happen? I get shift. Did I eat your car?
You eat this car now. Can't you see?
Did I eat this car?
You can't even say sorry for nothing.
Sorry for what? Sorry for what exactly? Sorry for what?
Captain,
You want to beat me? So if they leave me, you want to beat me? You're a woman beater. You're a woman beater. You're a woman beater. I want to beat me. You want to beat me? You want to beat me?
Captain.
Hey!
So you don't know they go where.
If they don't be moved, they go where? All this thing will
They go
happen.
where they go. This thing no go happen. Leave this lady.
Leave this lady.
Leave her. Leave her, abeg. See, I think you're a man. What I will do to you? What I will do to you? What I will do to you?
This is your cheap
I would have beat you
guy.
up.
Bringing it close to mine and I want to hit you.
Car.
Who wants to hit your scrap?
Car where you borrow?
Who wants to hit your
Car
scrap?
where you borrow?
Borrow from where?
Car where you borrow?
Borrow from where?
Can
Can
you
you
afford
afford
this
it?
Eh?
Of course.
Me, Captain Philip.
Captain waiting.
Me,
Captain
Captain
my
Philip.
food.
See, guy.
Captain, just be going. I beg.
Now one side they look.
Where they go now?
Now, woman.
Go change.
See, you don't come up blood for your mouth. Stop now. Move they go.
Go change. Move they go. No worry, bro. No worry. Move they go. Kelechi.
Captain,
Why they do like this?
Captain, move they go.
Kelechi.
Just wait. Wait.
Move they go, Captain.
Why would you allow me to do what I want to do? Eh? Why?
Calm down. So calm down.
Make this thing not go this. I need to find you. I know to find you.
Get out.
You find person one buyer.
She said you're going. Where?
Sorry.
You're going to your house.
Until you don't believe me, you don't.